siya kasi laki ng NAIA, as you can see. Di man siya kasi laki ng NAIA International Airport, but it has the same system as NAIA. For example, when you go inside that airport, you don't have to push any button para lang magbukas yung pinto kasi automatic siya. Tsaka yung mga facilities natin dyan, automatic lahat. Yeah, pero hindi ibig sabihin na kapag may ATM machine dyan, tapos sinapat nyo yung kamay nyo, may lalabas agad na pera.
Ano?
Ayan, what's good about our airport, guys, is that sa aerial view niya, biggest aircraft carrier siya. Ayun. Tapos ito, nakikita nyo, our runway is comprises of 2.7 kilometers. Saan ba?
Karera ng kabayo.
Yung saan ba?
Pag nagdotabak, ano na ikaw nagagalaw?
Dati, itong area natin na to, it is, para may mga mountains siya. Pero through the effort of the American Admiral Radford and through his construction unit Battalion 1, they make the mountains flatten. So, naging flat na yung area natin, kaya naging airport siya. Magagaling talaga sila. Before yung airport natin, napaka-thick niya. But through the help of the World Bank, yun, pinahiraman nila tayo ng pera, tapos naging thicken na siya. Thicken na yung runway natin, and even the Russian Antonov naglaland na din dyan. So also, we have our own weather bureau, the Pag-asa.
Ate,
Meron tayong Pag-asa weather bureau dito sa Subic City.
Ay, ate, proud siya.
Mamaya, mabasa pa. Don't worry, guys.
Uy,
No! Ayan. So we are now approaching ayan yung abandoned area na nakikita nyo, guys.
may multo dyan.
Ayan yung dating hub ng FedEx.
Hub?
May multo dyan.
Yung Federal Express. Ayan. Federal Express, dati yan yung hub nila. Yung pinakamalakang hub sa Asia.
Makakaway ka ba? Parang
Guys, tumingin kayo dyan sa bandor, left side nyo. Dahil kasi palang guide leaves.
Ayaw nga pala, yun lang.
No, sa mga puno. Pero nakikita nyo may mga dried leaves dyan.
Yeah.
Nakikita nyo ba? Those are bats.
Yeah.
Ayan.
Ha? Ha? Talaga, paniki yun?
Oo, meron dyan marami.
Nakikita nyo sila?
Kimo? Anong kimo?
May unggoy! May unggoy!
Ayan. So, bats belong to the order of Chiropteria, so meaning handwing. Tapos, approximately we have 980 plus na bats. Varieties of bats all over the world. So, here inside the Subic Bay Freeport Zone, we have two kinds of bats, insectivorous at saka fruit bats. Yan. Insectivorous, obviously naman, they eat insects. Tapos, fruit bats, obviously, then they eat fruits. Ayan. Pero yung mga